If you're concerned about what to do when Windows 10 reaches end of life, this video is here to help you out. By the end, you'll know exactly why ChromeOS, not just Google's popular Chromebooks, but also ChromeOS Flex, might be the perfect answer for keeping your old Windows device secure, fast, and productive for years to come. Let's dive right in. First things first, why consider switching to ChromeOS at all? Well, one of the biggest advantages is its ability to breathe new life into hardware you already own. With ChromeOS Flex, you can take that old laptop or desktop, maybe gathering dust in a closet or running like a turtle, and give it a whole new purpose. ChromeOS Flex is completely free and designed to be lightweight, so you're not asking an aging machine to do more than it can handle. Imagine it's like swapping out a heavy, clunky engine for something more streamlined. That older PC suddenly boots up like a Chromebook and is ready in seconds instead of minutes. So if you're worried about e-waste or spending big on a new machine, ChromeOS Flex offers a sustainable and wallet-friendly alternative. Security is another crucial factor, especially since Windows 10 won't get those regular security updates anymore. ChromeOS was built with safety in mind. It comes with built-in protections against viruses and malware, so you won't need to install extra antivirus software. And the system keeps itself current with automated updates. For anyone who's ever gotten that sinking feeling when the security patch stopped coming, this really matters. Your data stays protected, and you don't have to worry about missing tricky steps or handling updates yourself. It's almost like having a home that does its own maintenance. Now, let's talk about speed and efficiency. Older Windows machines often turn sluggish over time, especially after years of updates and added programs. ChromeOS is refreshingly fast, especially for web browsing or streaming. You'll notice your system starts up almost instantly, and responding to commands feels snappy. It's great if your main activities include checking email, watching YouTube, or using cloud-based tools like Google Docs. Even if your old computer used to lag and freeze up, after switching, it can feel nearly as smooth as a new device. It's a bit like clearing clutter out of a room. You're left with only what you need, and everything operates more smoothly. Another benefit worth mentioning is just how simple ChromeOS is to use. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by frequent Windows pop-ups, complicated menus, or loads of system settings, ChromeOS parries things back to the essentials. You've got an easy-to-understand interface and straightforward controls, making it friendly even for those who aren't technology pros. Troubleshooting gets much easier, and there's less risk of something breaking just because you clicked the wrong thing. Of course, converting your device to ChromeOS Flex doesn't just save you money. You're stretching the life of hardware you already bought. Instead of dropping hundreds on a new laptop, you're maximizing your investment and keeping more tech out of landfills. For families, schools, or anyone on a budget, that's a big win. Now, before you take the leap, there are some limitations to keep in mind. ChromeOS works best when most of your computing happens online. If you mainly use your device for web browsing, email, streaming, or cloud apps, you'll likely be very happy with it. But if your workflow depends on specialized desktop software, think programs like Adobe Photoshop, heavy video editing suites, or particular business tools, ChromeOS probably won't cover all your needs. Also, while you can run some apps offline, the system really shines when connected to the internet. So if you're frequently without reliable internet, it may not be the best fit. And that's the rundown. ChromeOS could be the answer to the Windows 10 end-of-life problem for millions of people, especially if your needs are mostly online. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions about switching or want to hear more tips. And of course, subscribe for more tech tutorials and advice. Thanks for watching.